Hi, I'm Jack Beltane. Welcome to the channel. It's a channel we're just building stuff for railways at the moment. So we've been working on the Andreastal Noch, that little thing behind me. We've been working on that for 5 weeks now. It's going on quite good. So it's building up nicely and it's going really well. I'll give you some budget tips by the end of this as well, and just a few little help ideas each week. And we'll just make a layout like this each week. So this is a budget thing that we're working on at the moment. So once we've actually got all this done, we're putting another layout right next to it, which is quite good. It's not a bad little project to be working. So this is the junction down here. The junction is going to go out there to the flying Scotsman. We'll just move this table along 7 foot, we'll move it 7 foot along in the room. We're just working on some boards here. I just built this greenhouse today. The greenhouse is quite nice by Metcalf. This is the tram stop, but I've got to paint that one yet. And the trams are running everywhere at the moment. Not too bad. Yeah, so during the week I built the Metcalf one. Made it onboard as well. See that Hornby thing? I'll just show you what that can do to it. Find where that thing's gone to. There we go. I have a Hornby mag light in there. So when we get some mood lighting in the room, it gives a bit of light in there. Okay, we've finished the hill off this week, so we're just going to go to path up that hill. That hill is actually quite nice. It's a 70-year-old building made out of wood. And that's Noch Castle up there. What we've got coming in the mail for down here is low relief Metcalf buildings. Those ones are about the same height as this Metcalf one here. So that will be filled with basically townhouses. And over here we're going to be putting in another pub around here somewhere, and a couple more buildings up here. So budget tip for the week, and it's quite simple. This ballast is going to give me nothing but pain trying to get things through it. This carpet, which is gravel by Noch, and it goes for miles, has a 1.2 metre roll. Acts as ballast. You can still add sand around it, but it's a lot cheaper and it's 5 minutes to lay it. I shall get you out of roll. That is the roll. 1.2 metres, 4 foot by 2 foot. And after we laid it around the layout, so a little bit to do down here, we've still got that full roll and we've still got plenty of it. As you can see, it's fine gravel. So that fine gravel actually acts similar to what the ballast does. It keeps the track very stable. The track doesn't wobble on it. It's rough like sandpaper. And everybody seems happy enough to go around. These trams are catching each other up. That tram's actually faster than the other one for some reason. What I'm thinking with these willow trees, I've got these willow trees for my birthday. It's my birthday on the weekend. These willow trees,
Happy birthday to you.
I might move them up here and surround the lake with them, so it should be quite nice for that lake. So I might move them up around there. And we might just put some of these fir trees on here. We've got a few big boxes of those trees. These things come in, there we go, bit easier for you to see, the Noch boxes. And when I got those, I was told they were discontinued. So when we rebrought them, actually I've got them up here. This is my work in progress area. Things that I'm working on, things that have got to go on the board, like my notion tree, my never ending pile of glue sticks. More fir trees. The only difference I can see between them and the ones in the cardboard is we've gone all plastic. The next thing you'll see on the layout is go get put on there soon. Had that for a few months now. Street lights. Woodland Scenics Just Plug. We've got the whole adjust plug kit, and we're going to start the adjust plug kit along here with these townhouses. I'll pop a picture up for you shortly and overlay it for you, and you'll see what I mean about the townhouses, but they'll take that wall up there. It's all Carlisle by Metcalf that we'll be putting in there. Up here we've got mountains of buildings, absolute mountains of buildings that I can put in. I have not figured it out yet, but there's no shortage of buildings that I picked up off eBay. There's another tip for you: if you want something that's slightly weathered, slightly damaged, buy it off eBay, and they'll tell you it's damaged. I mean, this is advertised as missing a door or a window, but it's quite good. It's fine. Nothing wrong with storm damage. The fiddle yard looks just like the fiddle yard should look like. I'm truly being fiddled with at the moment. As you can see, once I can figure out the street and how the town's going to go up there, I have a nice little village working up the top. And if we don't stop these two trams, they're going to catch up with each other. So we'll just put the trams to bed. Get one out the way. There we go, trams are out the way. Shut them down for the night. That's how the layout's looking at the moment. As I say, over here, we're going to be moving this whole board in this room up to about here. And I have another board the same size in next to it. That's my rather work in progress workbench. Spare train tracks. Lots and lots and lots of train track. And that card is another German made product. I've got a few meters of that to use as well.